Where's Woody the Woodpecker, Nicole?
What? It needs another one.
What a ripoff!
It's work.
How much is it?
50 cents.
50 cents.
Well, I don't know. It's kind of went away.
Oh my god, this is cool.
Make it louder.
How do you make it louder?
You can't. Oh my god, this is cool.
It's not going very fast. What is he doing?
I'm a good driver.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, you abandoned shit.
Oh, look, it's Woody Woodpecker and friends.
Oh.
Oh, my God.
Woody the Woodpecker's on crap. Get here.
Michael. Michael.
What?
That's your new one.
Oh, left turns. Left turns. We're gonna hit that bench.
That's a really long ride.
It's so you can dump your kid and then log it in the store.
I think Michael should look like this kid here. Oh, oh, it stopped.
That's what you did.